Ballylooby is another Swan boat. This one is a serial electric hybrid, but the interior design is very different from Lerin. The new owners, Phil and Amanda, have been on boats for years, so they knew what they wanted. Ballylooby is powered by Beta Marine. I think this is the only one we saw at the show that was a Beta Marine. They have a good reputation, and you can see inside the engine bay here with this nice glass cover that is just temporary for the show. There's also lower level lighting, it looks like, along the edge of the cupboards. And traditional layout. Well, yeah, I think it's traditional layout. We'll see. Oh no, I think it's reverse layout, sort of reverse layout. So we've got a utility area here, The utility area / mudroom in this boat is very unique. They've designed cupboards to make use of what is often dead space in the corner of the kitchen cabinets on the other side of the wall.
Hello. Hi, carry on.
And a nice tidy electrical closet. Very good. Excellent. Good stuff. Are you with the boat?
It's my boat.
It's your boat. Your boat.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Do you want to introduce yourself?
I'm Phil.
Phil.
Married to Amanda.
Alright.
Who's the boss? Yeah. So this is the cupboard on the other side. That's where your cooker and stuff is.
Okay.
And rather than having a deep one on the other side that's hard to get to, we've split it so it's half. You can access half of it from this side, then half on the other side.
That's clever stuff.
Yeah, I thought so. And these, instead of having the corner cupboard that you can't
reach into, so let's go to the back of the corner.
They go all the way.
Nice.
Yeah, so we have two of them, which is
Excellent.
like, But yeah.
So it makes it a good utility room in here.
I think it works really well.
Yeah, nice. Nice. Right, moving on into the kitchen.
U-shaped kitchen. We always wanted a U-shaped kitchen.
2-burner induction. Zanussi.
Yeah.
Refrigerator.
Refrigerator. So you got a freezer out there, refrigerator in here, and a dishwasher, sensible size dishwasher.
Full-size dishwasher.
I think it's Sunderland.
Slimline, but it's double height.
But it's not this big.
Oh, look,
right.
eye level oven and microwave as well. Look at that. That's nice.
Yeah. And that's like the other side of the.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then this is again because you've got the drawers in there. You haven't lost all that space behind.
Yeah. So we've only got the one awkward cupboard in there, which is.
Has that got a pull out?
No,
swing out?
You just have to put stuff down there.
The stuff you don't use very often. The backup beer, basically.
Everybody. I like them. I like that. I mean.
Oh, nice.
I like them.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Yeah. I like it because
Rubbish and recycling and yeah. Nice.
I mean, they're just like you said, just cupboard. I mean, that is a 4-in-1 tap that's boiling hot water.
Boiling tap. Yeah.
Not used it yet, so I don't know how it works.
That's okay.
And then you got like these tin cupboards at the side of the.
Yeah. They're good for cans. There you go.
Very much
Full
so.
of cans.
Yeah. That will be a couple of drawer when he's going to put inserts in there. So.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, it's excellent.
This is
Hey.
little things. It's all the little things that make a difference.
Yeah.
What's dog name?
Oh, Marshall. Sorry.
Marshall.
That's right. The sheep doesn't talk on.
Hi. Hey, Marshall.
He has his own Facebook
Hello.
page, so
Hello.
we like to bring him.
Aren't you beautiful?
Nice
Yes,
bowl.
you are.
I need to get some of those.
Yeah. Now it's coming back to me. You're. I've seen your vlogs.
Now we're expats.
Expats.
Yeah.
Make the Canals National Park.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. It's all. Yeah.
Oh, you know your spot, don't you? Okay.
I don't even know if he's allowed on there.
He is now. He thinks so. One of the things that I like, though, on your dinette is the fact that your cushions are held in.
I like on the dinette.
Down there. Well, there's here, but
Just
yeah.
there, that section.
Yeah.
And that's shut as well.
Yeah. I do like having dinette on both. The side hatches on both sides, or duck hatches,
Duck hatches, that's one or whatever they call them. Yeah.
swan hatches, or whatever name people want to.
Well,
Yes, nice bookcase.
yeah, we've got more boxes to put in there.
Yeah.
To do different colours then.
That's
Yeah.
a nice bookcase.
Or you're not getting enough love. I stopped petting you.
I'm not going to keep doing it, but the TV does lift that up.
Okay.
Yeah,
Comes up.
pops up. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so let's have a look in the bathroom.
Standard them, aren't they now? Everybody has them, don't they?
Yeah. Well, that's what we've got.
It's a good size shower.
Yeah, we did because a lot of them have the curved ones. But
Yeah.
Yeah, we have a full square.
Yeah, we did. We've sort of had it on a angle.
Compost toilet.
Yeah. Simply.
Simply.
But it's the same thing, isn't
Same
it?
thing.
Yeah. Storage space here. That's good. Oh, and the storage on the side of the bed looks like. Yeah. Extra storage down the side of the bed. Of course, now it won't go down. There we go. And power outlets with charger down there and a shelf to put your stuff on, which is really nice. So that's good. You know, I've seen quite a few beds like this. We were just commenting about the number of beds we've seen like this. It does make the bow a little harder to get out of if you need to get out during the day to help with manoeuvring around boats, typically. That's the only time we ever go out with the bow. And then you can see all 18 boats in our Narrowboat Buying Guide, parts 1 and 2 on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.